Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simons, and hey, I want to walk you through a used SeaRay that we got in. This is a 2005 320 cruiser. This is the hull side is a SeaRay blue, and all the canvas will be matching with the SeaRay blue as well. So we'll do a walkthrough. Obviously, in the cockpit, you've got nice wraparound seating with the removable table. We've got a refrigerator, we've got a sink, and we've got some storage under here. So entertainment-wise, you got plenty of space here for all you and your friends. A little bit of seating here on the port side. And then up on the helm, we've got the nice seats that have the that can lift you up, get you seeing way in front of you. This particular boat here has 589 hours on it. They did option it when it was first bought with a bow thruster, so we got nice bow thruster here. This model has twin inboard 350 mag Mercuries. So we've been through it. We've done a full mechanical inspection, and the boat is water ready as we speak. So let's walk down to the cabin area and take a look. So with the 2005 320, there was a ton of space in this particular model. You've got sleeping up here for two. You've got a nice galley kitchen here. We've got an electric range. You've got a microwave. You've got some storage. You've got a sink under here, another refrigerator, and storage all below. We did replace both the TVs. There's a TV here and then a TV underneath as well, but these are brand new that we put in. You've got some nice seating in here for a meal. Table does come out, and you can convert this into a sleeping area as well. And then you can see it also has some nice storage all the way around. So this has been a very popular model. You've got another sleeping area or sitting area down there, and then that's where the other TV is. You've got full canvas isinglass, so you can get yourself away from the weather if you need. So air, heat, generator. This boat's loaded, ready to go. Again, it's here at our Rogers showroom, right in the showroom, so nice and warm in here. Give us a call to set up an appointment or just stop on down. We'd love to walk you through it. And as always, click the like button and click the subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.